Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2017 E300 4MATIC. This one's a selenite gray metallic. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo, pushing out 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one does come with the luxury package, which is going to give you a luxury interior and exterior appearance. For wheels, we've got 18-inch multi-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. A black MB-Tex interior with a burl walnut trim. Sunroof. Coming around back, we've got our E300 4MATIC badging. Power liftgate, a set of all-season floor mats, comfort box for extra storage. Coming alongside, this one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist, Burmeister sound system, heated seats, memory seats, power windows. Hopping in, we've got a push start ignition, steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, a burl walnut and leather wood grain steering wheel, paddle shifters for extra performance, navigation, a rear view backup camera, dual climate controls, hard keys for a media display, wireless charging, USB port, cup holders, dynamic selects for different driving patterns, touchpad and wheel for our infotainment center. This E300 has 21,341 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this E300 4MATIC, check out feldmannimports.com.